darkness falls on this haunted trail, you know it's time to run. Welcome to When Darkness Falls here at Saraland Park in Columbus, Indiana, just south of Indianapolis. This is a relatively new haunt to the area, but it's up and coming quick, and we're gonna take you inside with us to show you why. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh, I see a pumpkin up there.
I like that. That looks neat as.
Yeah, pumpkins.
Yeah.
What do you think's behind the pumpkin, Nora?
I don't know. Probably a bushman.
These aren't pumpkins, they're faces.
What is that?
Are you going to visit the Gravedigger tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice sweet berry for me. Do you see him?
I do.
Can I pop his nose?
His guts are coming out.
Yeah.
Aw. Oh! That's wild, okay? Hi, Bear.
Oh, these aren't pumpkins.
Yeah, hi.
Those are not pumpkins.
Oh, they're people's faces, aren't they?
Something's wrestling in the bucket!
What has he got?
I don't know. A snake!
It's a danger needle!
Oh, that's a real snake.
No.
No. What happened?
She had
It
an
was-
accident.
It was the danger noodle.
Oh, somebody's waving at us.
Oh, I see.
That's suspicious.
Knock, knock. Hello. Oh, crap.
Master's gonna love you.
Master. Steps.
At least someone will.
Oh. 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 Oh, what you got there? Oh, don't lick that. Ugh.
You don't know where that brain's been.
Oh, he just took his face off. He took his face off. Yeah. Oh.
That got hurt.
There's the other half of the lady's face.
Yeah?
Yeah, he just ripped it off.
Oh my God. No.
Please don't.
No, thank you. No.
Hey,
I'm good.
Hey.
Huh?
Trying to stop you from going the wrong way.
Quit trespassing, Tammy.
That damn GPS.
You guys, there's one freaking light down there.
Yeah.
That's creepy.
What the hell?
He's back.
We don't need that anymore.
Stay away from me!
No, I don't like it.
Oh, mother.
Did they just throw that at you?
He threw it up in the air.
I can't breathe.
What is this?
Hell.
I see shadows.
Okay, I'm a little out of breath here. All right, like,
Jimmy's got her inhaler out.
we haven't even got.
Oh my God. Whoa, okay.
What the?
We're going.
Oh, God.
Oh, what in
on
the,
earth? I don't like the noises coming out here, man.
Hold on! Hey,
Oh.
you need to go
Are
behind
we
her real quick.
interrupting?
Yeah, okay, go on.
You've been finger painting in here.
Good
Finger
God.
paint, does it look like a finger?
Yeah?
Ew.
Oh, don't eat that. No.
He's eating poop now.
You.
Smells like poop in here too.
Oh my
I
God.
can't do this.
Mike,
No.
about you.
I'm good. I'm good.
No.
Come on, you know you
It
want to.
smells
No.
so bad in here.
This is my favorite smell in the world, honey.
You've lost
Look.
it. Oh,
Don't do that. Don't do
oh,
that.
you
Time
got
to go.
a little bit
Time
of
to
it.
go.
You got a little bit back there on the rear end there. Okay,
I'll save that for later.
Oh my God.
It's super sanitary here, honey.
Oh my.
You filthy rat!
I'm trying.
I just need to be away from that smell.
Oh.
Get you right
I do not like this bathroom. Oh my God. No.
What's he doing?
Oh,
no.
what is he doing?
Go in the bathroom for that.
Oh my God.
Somebody's definitely not house trained.
You're missing it.
Not as trained.
No.
Especially that one!
Your bathroom reeks. You guys know somebody's back there, right?
Oh God, what the heck is that?
I don't know. Yo.
Oh my. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my God, Tammy, I don't know where we go.
I'm gonna follow him.
Disappearing into the phone.
We got a poopy photo. My God.
You're sending us into some pretty dark areas here.
Oh, it's just fine. It's a walk in the park.
Oh God.
Yeah.
I can't tell
It's
if
just
he
a
wants
walk in
to
the
be-
park.
if he wants to-
It's a bushman.
Bushman!
No.
We now have a party of 7.
All hail the Bushmen.
Oh, no, no.
Right now, it is the only way. Please,
Dear
please, it's the only way to
whoever-
keep the mushrooms away. I don't
Please.
Keep the mushrooms away?
The mushrooms.
I guess we're supposed to eat them.
Of the mad scientist thing.
Mad scientist? Hello? Oh my goodness. What is going on in here?
I know,
That's a big
specimen.
syringe.
I know you would be a great
It doesn't smell good in here either.
just like this guy.
Oh,
He
yeah.
was always quiet for some reason, but he's great. And I know you'd be just like
Oh God,
No, I talk a lot.
really.
What is all that?
You want to see something real shocking?
Whoa!
Oh, I know you wouldn't try.
Somebody's been doing some experiments.
Take us from here! Take us from here! Get down!
This is where the Bushmen come from.
This lab. Oh my God.
That's where the Bushmen come from.
Hey, thank you.
We have a number 2 on the back. No. Oh my God, you're a mean Bushman.
He's broken.
Son of a bee. Oh my God. Oh, hey. What are you doing?
Oh, God.
Freaks! Who are you talking to?
Done with this one yet. Let's throw it in that. We want the bones. I want the guts. You want the bones. We want the bones.
You're not getting our bones.
Here for the past 5 days. Why do you think I'm chopping her up so I can get the bones?
Yeah, you just keep on doing that. We're just gonna go this way.
Get out if you're not gonna help.
I ain't helping you do that. No.
We're not gonna help.
I'm
We're
not
not gonna
committing
help.
crimes.
We're just gonna forget this whole thing even happened.
No? You're pretty good. What are you? You ever been sedated before? Yeah. I got this new one I really like. Sedated?
They make me see clowns.
Oh my.
Clowns?
So. Oh my God. To the freak show? What
Why are
is
you scared?
Because I don't trust clowns. That's why.
Welcome
Especially
to
clowns
the
in the
freak
woods.
show.
Because you guys are unhinged.
Why? You play for us to your parties?
I would let you return.
Well, because this is
but
not
I know
normal.
you couldn't make it past Pipsqueak.
Pipsqueak.
But I do know what you could
I would
do.
knock it all the way up there.
Come on in.
I don't
Don't
think you would.
fret. Only I can make it.
Oh,
But you can take Daryl's spot.
Daryl.
Okay.
Go on, stand in front of Daryl.
Oh crap.
Like, really?
That's where,
Stand in front of Daryl.
that's where they throw the knives.
Now come on. I said, there we go. We might actually have a winner this time. Shake your head. I said, shake your head. There we go. Now we all hear that?
Yeah.
That's right. Absolutely nothing. How am I supposed to get a good splat if there's nothing in
I have
there?
a very big brain in
Go
there.
on.
Hi.
Oh.
You know, my favorite clown's out tonight, and I'm so excited for you to meet her. You know who she hates?
Who does she
Who?
hate?
People who look like you.
Oh.
And I think you guys smell really stinky. She doesn't like that either.
Oh God, that's not nice.
They're screaming like a milkshake machine that finally got fixed.
Because that's what we are. Because the milkshakes bring the boys to the yard.
Every time
And their
Laura-
life
every
is
time
better
Laura
than yours.
speaks,
Uh-huh.
every time she speaks, it burns off my eyebrows. Your breath
Ooh,
smells so
I need to
bad.
talk more then. Huh? It smells again. It smells again. Oh no!
I know what this means.
Oh no!
So she slows down.
No! What is that? Ew! What is it? No! Oh! There's ew! There's so many spiders in that! No! Don't take it. Ew! There's like spiders and weird wormy things. Oh
just
my
walked
God!
right
What
past
is
that.
that?
Another one.
Ew!
They said you were coming. They said so. They said so. They said you were coming to take my place.
I'm not coming to take nothing.
They said so.
Nope. They're not talking about us.
They're all hanging.
Tammy, quit moving those things. Ugh. They're hanging down. Ew, 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 that was horrible. No.
What's in his mouth?
I don't know. It's a freaking spider.
It's a spider.
No! No! They're hanging down. No! You be Please, no. There's one in his mouth.
Hey, you stay right
Oh my God. You stay over there. Oh my God. There's another one. I think I saw a shadow. Oh, I saw 2 shadows.
I've seen a lot.
Oh no.
Where do you think you're
That
going?
one
Away
was
from
real.
you.
We really don't know, Ghostly.
We're gonna go find some sage.
Yep.
Tiptoe
Through the ghost lips. Man, I don't like this.
I don't either.
You don't see us. We're just ghosts.
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, I don't think she liked that. This looks beautiful.
This is another one of those, let's follow into the pretty lights.
Yeah,
We're gonna.
we're gonna be so safe.
I'm totally
guys.
going in
Yeah,
there.
this is so safe.
What about that dead lady over there?
Dead lady?
Yeah, that dead lady. Oh, we're gonna have to keep those right now.
Not dead yet.
No. Ooh.
We're gonna need that.
Into the
Oh
fog.
my God. Oh my God, is there something?
Oh, I can't see.
Oh my God, Tammy, where'd you go?
Right here.
She gone?
She disappeared.
I'm here.
Woo! Oh!
Okay.
Oh, that's the Gravedigger.
Oh.
Y'all, I'm gonna get zapped. Hurry up.
Oh God, I don't know what that thing is back there.
Next session.
Hey,
That's enough.
That's not necessary.
That was my ear.
That's not necessary.
Nope.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
I don't know. They're surrounding us, Tammy. Where are you going? Team Zombillies 0. Trail 10 at least.
10 plus.
Y'all need to send us a super chat so we can get Tammy's GPS fixed.
Yes,
Yep.
please. This can't be good.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Well, we can see kelp in here, guys.
Oh,
Guilty.
Okay.
not guilty.
we're
Nope,
guilty.
not guilty.
That doesn't look
That's
normal.
wonderful.
Thought that God could save you, when in all reality, God has no power in my house! This house of hell only worships the Dark One himself!
Oh, we're gonna go this way
Dark
then.
one? That's not
going
gonna
this way.
help. What's that?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Hold on. It sounds bad. What is that? I don't like it. Where are we going? Out. We gotta get out. Somebody's asking for help. Oh my God! Chainsaw Men in the Dark is another thing. No. That was so good.
Oh my God, that was a lot.
You
was a
can't
lot.
even call that the
We all
dark.
need
It wasn't even the
Having heart
dark.
palpitations.
Right.
Like, that's the most lit up darkness I've ever seen.